get a close-up view of our Zirconia customized rod packaging process, showcasing the craftsmanship and care that goes into each product. These Zirconia mechanical parts are versatile powerhouses, ideal for mechanical engineering, semiconductor production, and more. Watch as we meticulously prepare each Zirconia component for shipment, ensuring they maintain their superior quality throughout. All Zirconia customized rods and components are built to last, withstanding even the most extreme conditions. Elevate your project's success with our proven Zirconia solutions. Don't wait, upgrade your industrial equipment today with our Zirconia mechanical parts.